Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader, and trainer, welcomes you to this pre-market report. Yes, all are looking at SGX Nifty, which is down 300 points, and open is expected to be around 17,750 to 17,800 zone. And this down move in SGX, what you are seeing is only because of one reason, that is yesterday's inflation data which came in America, and people were expecting the CPI inflation number in America to come around 8.1%, but the real data came at 8.3%. That means it was 0.2% higher than what was expected. Even if you see the core CPI data and the core inflation data, it was expected to come at around 6.1%. What came is again a 0.2% more than expectation. It came at 6.3%. Yes, the inflation data in America was 0.2% above the expected level. But look at the reaction from market. Market in terms of Dow Jones was down 1400 point. In fact, Nasdaq and S&P were down close to 5%, and this reaction from market came because of higher than expected inflation data. Now the big question, did anyone expect this inflation number, or did anyone expect this huge fall in market because of this inflation data? Definitely no. And in fact, today morning when I was just hinting this big move on the downside, let me tell you what next depends upon what stocks are you holding, what quantity are you holding, and more than anything, do you have the right position sizing is very important. Now let us first look at what next in market. If you see now, US dollar index is back to 110, and more important than anything, bond yields have started going up. Crude is somewhere at the same $93 per barrel. But if you see, most important, yesterday only there was lot of short covering, and market went above 18,000, and even it went above 18,100 yesterday only because there was a huge short covering rally which was there in market. Even yesterday FIIs bought close to 2000 crore in market. Now the question is, all these people thought the inflation data in America will be much below expectation, but what came actually was completely the other way around. Now most important point here is, I have to mention the biggest learning for each one of you today is what the late Rakesh Junjunwala told. I still remember these words, and he clearly told in one of his interviews, he said, I am not a God's gift to mankind. I too make lot of mistakes in market, but my position size is managed well enough, and I get another chance in market to do mistake. And he never advocated trading all your money in one single position and in one single side. You know, most of these small traders, what they do, they have 50,000 rupee, they have 10,000 rupee, they have 1 lakh rupee, and all the money what they have, they take position on one side and they don't manage their position. They think they can be right every time in market. And let me tell you, there is no God in stock market. You cannot be right every time in market, and no one in this world can be right anytime, and he cannot be right every time in market. So this is where you have to learn position sizing is important. Example, if you are someone who can take position up to, let us say, 1000 quantity, you cannot take all your capital and take the position. You know what people normally do? Whatever is the balance left in their account and how much ever position they can take, they take all the money available in their account and the position. And if you do this type of a mistake, and if one trade decides your future, and it will either make or break your career, and you are trading this way, if not today, some other day you will be wrong and completely you will be washed out. So it is very important to understand the importance of position sizing, and some people even talk about hedging. Do understand, if you are able to take 1000 quantity and if you take the whole 1000 quantity and if your trade goes wrong, then your position sizing is also wrong. And let me tell you, simple position sizing or correct position sizing is that the quantity what you take, still you have to get sleep previous day, not seeing the Dow Jones SGX, and even if you go wrong on your trade, seeing today's SGX move, still can you withstand and can you still be in market? Then I say your position sizing is right. And those of you who cannot do position sizing, they have another option called hedging. If you don't do hedging, if you don't do position sizing, and all the money left in your account, if you keep taking trade, if not today, some or the other day you will be wrong, and at that point of time you will be washed out from market. So the message is very clear: be a trader and not gambler. And if you are a gambler, then I'm sure if not today, you will lose all your money later. It is not in your trading system there is a mistake. The mistake is in your position sizing. I'm sure all these inputs are helping you a lot in understanding the markets better. And I feel this move from 17,750 to 17,800, where we are gap down opening, you have to see a bounce from these levels. Now this bounce can come up to levels of 18,000 maximum. So from there again can we see the sell off. And let me tell you, till 21st of this month, when the Fed meet starts, people will be thinking and they will be gambling on whether it will be 75 basis points or 100 basis point rate hike. But however, the steep move already which has happened yesterday, and our market SGX already indicating this 300 point gap down, indicates that market is now discounting a 100 point or a 100 basis point rate hike to come in US on the 21st September when the Fed meet starts. And one has to be very selective on the stocks and be right on the position sizing, be a trader and not a gambler. I'm sure all these inputs have assisted you. Even with Rakesh Junjunwala's message of market I have given you, do remember, even if Rakesh Junjunwala was long yesterday and let us say this huge fall happened in market, he would have managed his position so well today, and that is why he is one of the greatest trader our country has ever seen. Not that Rakesh does not go wrong, he knows how to make money overall with the right position sizing and risk management. The day you learn this, you will also be on the track of a profitable trader. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do write your feedback down, and many of them ask me, sir, we want regular videos from you. And for me, I don't even monetize my video, and the only motivation I have is when more and more people like you write feedback and forward this video to as many people as possible. When that is not there, I don't have the motivation to do the video regularly. If you want the videos regularly and these market updates regularly, do forward this to at least 10 people in the known group of yours, whether in WhatsApp, Telegram, everywhere. And if you feel this quality content is definitely needed by others, and if you join hands with me to forward the same and spread the right financial literacy, then I'll have motivation to do the videos regularly. So those of you who want this regularly, your job is to ensure more and more people watch this quality content. With this, signing off, Rudramurthy.